MSTL, this company, how to sell it. If you bought recently and you only want to catch the short-term profit, today I'm going to show you how to sell it. Welcome to ymchannel. This is the education channel, and like right now, we don't recommend any trade. So first thing, we look at MicroStrategy. Here, we buy here recently. Basically, I make profit, and what is going on right now? Right now is down by 2.7%. The red line is still going up. It means short term we are still good. The blue line is still going up, so it's good. The only thing is the purple line is downward. Okay, so maybe you have a chance to pull back, but do we have sell signal today? So if we look here, you buy with the red, sell with the red. Do we have sell signal? The answer is no. Another thing, the yellow candle, we did not drop below the last yellow candle. We did not. So there's no buy signal. Today the sales, this red line is 118.37. You look at this number, 118.37. So right now we are still above it. So we are still safe, okay? And today we have a big volume exceeding the stock. Okay, so why is that? And also I want to show you something interesting, which is more long term. Okay, more long term, what is going on when we see this kind of pattern? I want you to notice. Okay, we have institution come in, no problem, but let's say you don't have my indicator, you can also look at this kind of pattern. We have a flat platform here, like a U shape, or you find some stock is a W shape and this is U shape. So this is the platform. So this is the base. Do you think this is the finish of the race? They come back down and continue to drop. This is the question you need to think about. Longer the platform is, usually higher they will go up. This is it really, really that long? Not really for daily chart. Not really for daily chart. So let's see how it go. And I told you in my two video, I mentioned MSTL actually for monthly chart, we can now this is the previous one is daily chart, now monthly chart. The red is still going upward. The big opportunity, if you're a super long-term investor, you're looking for this kind of opportunity, look for the red going upward. And now not yet, but we are getting there. But maybe 1 or 2 more months, okay? Because this is a monthly candle. Another thing, weekly chart. The red going upward. The red going upward. So we look good, okay? The blue is still going downward. This is okay because maybe we are in the very, very beginning of the stage, not yet changed the bull market. I mentioned before, if MicroStrategy follow Bitcoin, I will also look at Bitcoin. So today, short term, no sell strategy. But there's four state, right? One, buy. Two, sell. Three is hold the stock. Four is hold the money. So this state is hold the stock. Okay, hold the stock because when the blue line go upward, we hold the stock. Okay, and if you're looking for short term, you're looking for maximum your profit, looking for this red line. If we drop below, you need to reduce. Okay, so if you don't have my indicator, please buy it because I cannot update sometime in time for this red line. Okay, I try to update the blue line. Okay, and go back to Bitcoin because this is something I think you guys really, really interested. And watch the video I tag in the end of this video. I mentioned when is the starting point likely for the bull market. Okay, this is daily chart. Look at here. The yellow, we actually the candle dropped below the yellow. It means getting weak. And we know money going away a little bit, okay? But the yellow is still there. We not yet disappear the yellow. So we don't need to be panicked. But if you want to reduce, you can also reduce here. Okay? But we don't need to be panicked. This is fine. And this three line look upward, upward, upward. So no problem. And we go back to weekly chart. The red going upward. Okay, we have institution coming here. We have institution coming here. Likely, you see this is the W shape. You see this is the W shape. So this is a beautiful one. If you see this kind of pattern, pay attention to this because this likely is the bottom for most of the stock or U shape. Okay, U shape or like for example like this. And this is W shape again. So it's very clear. This is the bottom here. And with my indicator, you can see more clearly because we have YM chip entry. And they go above the blue and wait for the blue to go up and then they fly to the sky. Not really the blue, but the red actually, the red. The blue tell you the market cycle. And institution always buying when it is going downward. Why? Because they buy at the low. They don't buy on the halfway to go up. That's very rare they buy on the halfway to go up. Okay. So usually they try to get the relative low point in all kind of stock is the same thing. And we don't buy right away when we see this green candle. Why? Because we are not unlimited money like institution. So they separate the lots, right? By trying to change upward. We just buy when they change upward. That's it. We just buy when the red change upward here. That's it. And right now, the red do change upward. But I told you, if we analyze the monthly chart, the Bitcoin, if we look at here, each time YM chip entry. Okay, back to the point. Apart from the YM chip entry, back to the point, golden rule, this red has to go upward. We right now not yet going upward. So calm down. This is not all in moment. Okay, when the red go upward, then it's fine. Now not yet. Another thing, extra thing, this rule doesn't apply for all the stock, but Bitcoin for the period cycle, one cycle, two cycle, three cycle, four cycle, they all hit this green line. Basically, it form a trend line here. And this is not golden rule, by the way, but it's an extra reference to tell you if they hit the green here, likely this is the bottom. And the red will change the direction. It happen every single time. It's not me making this up. It happen every single time. So I want you to pay attention to this line. And one video I mentioned when is the time when we extend this, when exactly they will touch this green line. Okay, so it's not now because we still have some distance here. So this is the update today. I hope you like this video. If you bought recently the Bitcoin for short term, and this look for this signal. When the yellow disappear, basically if they drop below the last yellow, this is the first sell signal. So I hope you like this video. Like, subscribe, share with your friend. See you next video. Bye.